Hey guys, and welcome to the second part of Budapest walking video. So we'll walk down this touristy street. Ooh, chiquitita. Yeah, so let's go. So we are in the city center of Budapest and we will walk down to a bar now that is supposed to have a happy hour. 1 liter beer for 1,000 forints, which is about 2.5 euros. I hope they do accept cards because I have no local currency. And yeah, let's go. Look where we are. Look at the masks. Oh my god. The serial killer murderers bar. Okay. Definitely. Zombie Inak. Like serial killer? Maybe. Serial killer? Maybe. So that's what it's called. Oh, we have a ristorante, pizzeria. Of course, overpriced. If you come to Budapest, do not eat on this street, guys. It's all tourist traps, scams. So just go outside of the street. And believe me, if you go to any other, even local, like workers' mensa, you will have better food there. Ooh, hot chocolate. Okay, I'm just okay. Doesn't matter. I'm negating myself now. Okay. We have a nice cafe. Green World. Guess what they're selling in there? But yeah, look at the buildings, guys. Yeah? Each building has some special thingies on it. Yeah.
What's that?
Americanos. You can always recognize them everywhere in Europe. The easiest ones to spot. Again, langosh. Typical Hungarian thing. Oh, that cake that I told you before, yeah, it's called chimney cake. It's not the tower cake or what I said, okay? Chimney cake. By the way, guys, if you run out of beer in that corner shop, there you can buy it at more normal prices than in the bar. Okay, now you know. And another chorchito here. Girlitos. Oh yeah. Now, Big Joe is a big problem. He needs a release. The bar is still quite far away. So, we either go left between the cars or we go right. Oh, there's a bank machine. I'm not sure if it's a Euronet or not. Never use Euronet machines. Okay, guys. There. I need some local currency, guys. In case they do not accept cards in a bar, you know. Shite. What to do? Say hello to Chiquita. No, we don't say hello to Chiquita, but we check her esito. Yes, that's what we do. That's why you watch my channel, guys. Okay, let's go to that three guys there that are trying to rob the bank machine and see if it's Euronet or not. If it's not Euronet, maybe we try to get some money out of it, like 30 euros. If not, we see. Okay, there you go. Let's rob the bank machine. So yeah, guys, that bank machine was Euronet. That's the most scamming machine in Europe. So that's a no-no. Let us continue down the street. And down the street we go. By the way, is the church free? Who knows? The first Hungarian to ride a horse. So yeah, if you're wondering what the name of this street is, it's called Váci Utka. So, Váci Utka, the main walking street of Budapest, Hungary. Okay? What the fuck are those? Well, there are something. There are something. So we are making our way towards a bar. It's on the other side of that street on the left, according to Google Maps. Because Big Joe has a problem. Big Joe needs to use the bathroom, you know? Oh, here's another ATM. I hope it's not Euronet as well. Let's see. ATM. Dip, 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 dip. Doesn't do anything. Kerem, berem, berem. Ooh, bookie, bookie, bucky. Okay, I guess we have to insert the card. Let's see if this is Euronet as well. So yeah, it was an Euronet, but I don't know if they charged me correctly or not. It said like they took a fee of 1,000 something. Oof. It's about 2.5 euros. But okay. I took like 30 euros out, so let's hope it's okay. Anyway, we are going now to the Pointers pub and bar and restaurant or whatever. It's just that building over there. The problem is the happy hour doesn't start in half an hour, so maybe we walk around a little bit. So here we are. And they're waiting to get some goulash. Oh my god, goulash and language bar. People waiting to get goulash. First time in life. Look, 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 look. They're waiting to get goulash. Give me some goulash. My god. So that's the bar that should have cheap beer from 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock, yeah. I guess that's the new bridge over the Danube River. Oh yeah, that was the Utka Street, yeah, I forgot the name. Oh, it says up there, but I cannot read it. Can you read it, guys? Okay, it says up there. Oh. So yeah. Well, at least I have some Hungarian cash now. I have 10,000 forints. In one note, of course. Gita. Eszítő. And yeah, Pointer, cafe, bar, pub. Well, let's go check directions. I'm in there. Thing is the bridge too. And the city center of Budapest. Oh my god. It's red light, everybody walking. I just do like everybody does. Yeah, rdeča je pizda. But nobody cares. She said, "Hey, it's red light," and she was Slovenian. Anyway, this is the bar. See, 1 liter happy hour, 990 pesos, not pesos, but forints. I'll wait for this guy, and I have green. See, it's like this here in thingy. So from 2 to 4, 990 pesos for 1 liter beer. So we still have half an hour, but I do need to go to pee. So yeah, those are the prices. So from 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock p.m. those are the prices. Small beer $5.90 and big beer $9.90. So I would go for the big beer, 2.4 euros, 1 liter beer. Maybe have a 2 or so at this bar. So yeah, I guess we'll end this video now. Here and now. Ooh, more tourists. So yeah, be sure to like, share, subscribe, comment. I'll see you in another one. Maybe we even make one video inside, yeah, or maybe we'll make a live inside. I'm not sure. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one, guys. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, comment, push the notification bell. And yeah, shit on my face, okay? Stupid YouTube. Okay, see you in the next one. And yeah, for the ending, one of the biggest dogs in the world, Saint Bernard, and a gypsy taking advantage of him. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Be sure to leave your comment down below. Check out my video up there in the corner. See you in the next one, guys.